Okay, hi guys. Today we're going to do something a bit slightly different. Today is not audio related tutorial video, but it's more of a life hack or just a day-to-day usage tutorial. Okay, some of the times when we apply some adhesive sticker or any of the tape to some, maybe a case or to some maybe your laptop or even your table or any surface, when you apply some sticky tape, you have this sticky residue that is very hard to remove. Like, it's a sticky residue. See, even the paper is torn from there. So how do we get out from this situation? Sometimes you might have tried using water and vinegar and other chemicals to try to remove the sticky part. As you can see, there's some stickiness here. Even this is a wet tissue. We try very hard to do it. All the fiber will get stuck instead of actually washing away the adhesive mark, the glue mark. Basically, there's quite a lot of household items that we can try to use to clean, like vinegar, but it will leave a very nasty smell. There is this turpentine or thinner. They are not as friendly to work with because they produce a lot of smell and film, but they work the best, especially turpentine, because turpentine is a very it doesn't actually react a lot with all your other surfaces or plastic. But in this case, this is a metal and a rubber, so turpentine actually does not react with the rubber, but thinner will. So if you can get hold of turpentine, it will be quite good to use, and just use a cloth. But now what we have here is lighter fluid or Rosana oil. Okay, like even for this price tag, we can see. It will leave some residue behind. You can see the reflection, there's some residue. So these are all sticky parts. So let's do this, let's try to remove this price tag. It's too old, stuck here for too long already. But basically, anything that is any lighter fluid, Rosana oil, or the more common one is a Zippo fluid, they will work with this process. Okay, so let's get some cloth. I'll be using the same wet tissue as before. Pour a generous amount because they actually evaporate very fast. And just go over the surface you want to remove and just wipe it off. So we take a look at the reflection. There's no more sticky part, there's no more adhesive on the surface. Okay, let's do the same for this case. This is a Duno metal case that a customer sent me for some of his modifications. See, it looks really bad. Looks really bad, especially on the logo side. So let's do this in fast forward. And hope you learned something today. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something useful today. Please do remember to subscribe and like our videos. It's very much appreciated. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.